Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google One VPN and privacy features on Android step by step clearly. To install Google One VPN and privacy features on your Android device, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Open the Google Play Store from your home screen. In the search bar, type Google One and press the search icon. Select the Google One app from the search results. Tap on the Install button to download the app. Once the installation is complete, open the Google One app. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. After signing in, navigate to the Benefits tab at the bottom of the screen. Look for the VPN section and tap on it. Read through the information about the VPN service to understand its features. Tap on the Turn On button to activate the VPN. You may be prompted to grant permission for the VPN to be activated. Follow the on-screen instructions to allow the necessary permissions. Once permissions are granted, the VPN will connect automatically. To check the status of your VPN connection, look at the notification bar. You will see a key icon indicating that the VPN is active. Now, navigate to the Privacy section within the Google One app. Explore the various privacy features available to enhance your security. Enable any additional features that you wish to use for improved privacy. Familiarize yourself with the settings to customize the VPN to your liking. Once you have configured the settings, you are all set to enjoy secure browsing. To disconnect the VPN, return to the Google One app and tap on the VPN section again. Select the Turn Off button to disconnect from the VPN. You can always repeat the same steps to reconnect whenever you need enhanced privacy. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Google One VPN and privacy features on your Android device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.